Today I'm working on a Grand Cherokee Laredo 2015, 16, 17, 18 up. They're all the same. I'm working on a thermostat because mine it went bad. The check engine light is on. My engine is not overheated. It's not overheating at all. But I decided to change it anyway since I do record. I'm gonna walk you through how this process work. Hang tight. Here we got V6 engine. I just took the accessory cover off. Pretty much this is how it's supposed to be. These simple things. I took the cover off. That's the easy thing to do. You have a notch here, there, 3 of them that they hold it in place. You pull it up, it come up, it come right off. Then you gotta remove this. I already did this. I loosened this. You can get flat screwdriver or 10 millimeter. To loosen that, you pull it, come off. And that side, you need 8 millimeter for this. Or flat screwdriver. Loosen that. And it come right off. I found out that it's not necessary to unhook this terminal. So I left it. And here, all you gotta do is yank it upward. It come right off, get loose. Now, this is what we're working on. The thermostat is right here. That's the thermostat. Mine, I believe, is not opening, or opening, it stay open. The good thing is easy to work with it. It's quick. All you need, I believe, it's 10 millimeter. Let me double check on that. Yeah. All you need 10 millimeter socket to take this off. It's 2 bolt right there, up and down, and first thing first, you gotta loosen this bracket. You can use anything you want, whatever you think you're gonna work. I'm sorry, it's tough to record and do work with one hand. That's it. You move this right in the middle, and you loosen this 10 millimeter socket. Not a bolt. I break it loose already, so that's good. I can do the rest by hands. And I'm gonna clamp these holes so I don't lose much fluid that I know how to. Then I'm gonna take this off. After I take the bolt off, is loose. So pretty much check this off. I got a brand new one. I gotta swipe it and I'll be on my way. You reverse the process, pretty much undo. As you can see, I got my new part right here. I'm ready to swipe it. I already got this loose. All I gotta do, put this in and swipe it. Be done deal. Alright? That's how you do this. That's how you do this process. Alright? Good luck on you. Good luck to all of you. Alright.